Hey there, I'm Mike from musicradiocreative.com. Let's take a look at my brand new vlogging gear on top of this gimbal. So here I am in 4K on top of a Zoom Crane V2. I'm now using the Sony Alpha A6300 camera, which is fantastic for shooting 4K video, although I'm a little bit tight in the frame, you might have noticed, and that is due to having a rather tight lens, the 30mm Sigma lens that's on this Sony Alpha A6300 right now. It's contained inside a SmallRig, which has lots of cool kit on front, including I've got my Samsung Galaxy S8 camera, I've got the Rode VideoMicro to get this good quality audio that you're hearing. I can put other things like battery power packs as well, so expect more vlogging content just like this on my channel. And of course, I will link all of the kit that I'm using down below in the description to this video. And if you'd like to win some audio gear, the awesome audio giveaway is coming up really soon. You can get involved. It starts on May 29th. Just go to mrc.fm/giveaway to pre-register now. That's mrc.fm/giveaway. Your chance to win microphones, studio monitors, audio interfaces, audio plugins, and more. mrc.fm/giveaway.